Hello, Jessica. Good morning. Good evening.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. What about you?
All is well, yes.
Good, good.
Yeah, I wanted to talk to you about my resume.
Okay,
So it's prepared, like it's approved by Dev sir now,
okay,
and he asked me to share it with you
okay,
to get your input as well on it
okay,
because now it will be marketed in the market, right? So yeah,
okay, okay, sure. You can share at my WhatsApp.
on your WhatsApp. Okay, okay,
Okay,
I'll
okay,
do
okay.
that. Okay.
Okay, today's topic is Java. So now we are going to start Java.
Okay.
Okay, so I think you know that Java is an object-oriented programming language.
Yes.
Okay, so here there are four words. First, language means this is a computer language. Programming, I think you know C or C++, any other language. Just you can see, understand programming.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Oriented means dependent. Means Java is a object dependent programming language. Means it's work on the basis of object. Okay. So first question will arise, what is the object? So actually everything is object that have properties and behavior. Like suppose you and me, also a object. My properties like my name, my father name, my address, my mother name, my email address, my mobile number, my qualification. These are my properties that you have already declared in your resume. Okay, that's your properties.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so everything that have properties and behavior that is called object. So here, Java work on the basis of object. So for this purpose, you can perform different type of operation. Uh, we have a system that is called object-oriented program system. Okay, and this system provides us multiple concept like object, class, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, etc. Okay, so we will learn all concept of object-oriented program system one by one. Okay. On the basis of these concepts, we can categorize the all object-oriented programming languages. So on the basis of these concepts, we can say there are three types of object-oriented programming language. First, object-based. Second, pure OPP. Third, language. Okay. So object-based Object-based languages don't support inheritance. Okay, we can work object on class, but we can't perform inheritance and other concept. So that's called object-based programming language like JavaScript and VBScript. Okay, OOPS languages, pure OPP. These languages
That's right. Yeah. Mhm.
don't support primitive values like integer, float, double, character, these data type. Okay, it's only work on the basis of object. So these languages called object pure OPP language like similar and smart. Okay, these languages are called pure OPP. It's only work on the basis of object. Okay, don't work on the basis of primitive value. They don't support primitive values. And OOPS language, we can work any type of work. We can. It supports all the concept like object, class, encapsulation, and primitive values also. So we can work uh, procedure language like just like procedure language, and we can also work on object like C++, Java, C Sharp. These languages are called OOPS languages. These languages support primitive values and all concept of object-oriented programming system. Okay, that's called OOPS language. So actually, I want to say that Java is a object-oriented programming language. Java is not a pure OPP language because it also support primitive values. Okay,
So what is preemptive values?
like integer, float, double,
Mm.
character, boolean. Okay, these are called primitive values.
Okay.
Okay, after
Mhm.
that. Now we are going to start Java. What is Java? Actually, uh, we have two language, very strong language, C and C++. So what is the use of Java? Because we have already two very strong languages, C++ and Java, C and C++. So why we have need to require a developed a Java-like language? Actually, Java only developed for application programming. Okay, application software. If we want to develop any application software, we can use Java. Okay, like we can develop desktop application or web application. Any type of application software we can develop by using Java. Okay, if we want to develop desktop application means like this is notepad. This is a desktop application. We have not need to internet. Okay, and we can install any system and we can use that software in a particular system. We have not need to access uh, of internet. Okay, but suppose we want to develop a web application like website. We want to develop a web browser. So we we can use Java. Okay, so for web application, we can use Java. So we can develop any type of application software, desktop application, console application, or web application. Okay, if you want to develop desktop application, so we use Core Java. If you want to develop web application, so we use Advanced Java. Okay, actually Core Java and Advanced Java are not a official one. Okay, but we are familiar with Core Java and Advanced Java. Actually, uh, Oracle provides us different edition like JSE, JEE, JME, BioJava, JavaFX. These are the different edition of Java. JSE, Java Standard Edition. If we know that as a core Java. JSE Java Enterprise Edition. We know that as a advanced Java. JME uh, Java Macro Edition. And BioJava and JavaFX. JSE use a core Java. If you want to develop a desktop application or console application, we use JSE. If you want to develop a web application, we use JAE Java Enterprise Edition. If you want to develop a software, a app for mobile, for remote control, for setup box, so we use JME. But currently, we are using Android at the place of JME. BioJava is used for medical research and JavaFX if you want to develop front end. Okay, so these are different edition of Java. Okay, now Java. What is Java? So Java is a object-oriented programming language. Okay, so it have multiple characteristics, but we will discuss about the most important uh, characteristics of Java. First is platform independent. Okay, Java is a platform independent programming language. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of platform? Actually, platform means operating system plus processor. Okay, that is the meaning of platform. Platform is a combination of operating system plus processor. So, what is the meaning of a platform independent? Means Java is a operating system and processor independent. Means we can develop, we can execute our Java program on any operating system, on any processor. Okay, so you can say how it is possible. What is the new in Java? Actually, suppose uh, we want to develop a program in C language. Okay, after compilation, it generates a.exe file. 1 minute. Suppose we want to develop a program in C language. So that is called source code. And we will save .c extension. Suppose my file name is ABC. So we use .c extension and we can save this. And after compilation, it generates a exe file like apc.exe. Okay, same as In C++, we save file with CPP extension. And after compilation, it also generate .exe file. Okay, but in Java, we will save our source code, our programming code with Java extension. And after compilation, it generate .class file at the place of exe file. Okay, so what is class file? abc.exe, that is called executable file or native file, binary code, machine code. We can say anything. Okay, and the basic concept of C and C++ are same. Both are generating exe file. But in Java, Java generate after compilation, it generate class file at the place of exe. What is class file? Actually, after compilation, Java convert our programming code in its own nominee code that is called bytecode. So it contains bytecode is a nominee code of Java. Java convert our programming code in its own code that's called bytecode and create a new file with extension .class. Okay. So after compilation, we have a file name it .class file. Now we are free and we can move with this file on any platform. Okay. So suppose we want to execute this file. So we have need of JVM, Java Virtual Machine. It's also like as an interpreter. Okay. So we can, if suppose we want to execute abc.class file, so Java provides us a virtual machine that is a Java virtual machine. That's just like as an interpreter. It interprets our class file and generate a executable file according to their platform. If we want to execute this class file on Windows, so it will create a .exe file. If we want to execute this file on bin, so on Linux, so it will generate .bin file. Okay, so JVM generate executable file according to their platform. If we will try to execute this abc.exe class file on Windows, so it will generate .exe file. If we want to execute this abc.if class file on Linux, so it will generate .bin file. Okay, so how it is possible? JVM, how to generate this exe file according to our platform? So actually, JVM, Java is a platform independent, but JVM is a platform dependent. What is the meaning of this? Okay, actually, we have separate JVM for separate machine. Suppose we have Windows 64. So we have a separate JVM for Windows 64. If we have JVM 32-bit, so we have a different JVM for Windows 32-bit, for Linux, for Mac, for Solaris, we have different JVM. So suppose we have a Windows 64 bit system platform, so we will install Windows 34-bit JVM. Okay, if my system have Linux, so we will install Linux-based JVM. If we have Windows 32-bit Windows. So we will install 32-bit JVM because JVM is a platform dependent and Java is a platform independent. What is the meaning of this? Actually, Oracle provides different JVM for different platform. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Suppose we want to use Java. So we will install JDK in our machine. JDK means Java Development Kit. JDK is equal to Java compiler plus JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Java have its own runtime environment where we can execute our program. Okay, after that, JRE is equal to JVM plus operating system support file. Okay, so we can say JDK is equal to Java compiler plus JVM plus operating system. Okay, so we can say so JDK is a platform where we can develop our program, and JDK is equal to Java compiler plus JVM plus operating system support file. Okay, so Oracle provides us different JDK for different platform. So obviously we have different JVM for different platform. You can see here. Suppose we want to install uh, JDK. So JDK 8. Okay, you can click on this link. Here you can see this. Oracle providers. Here, there you can see there are links of different JDK. Okay, for Linux, you can see Linux 64, Linux 86. Windows 32, Windows 64, Solarize. For each, for Mac, for different platform, Oracle provided different JDK. Okay, and JDK contain JVM. So obviously, JVM is also different for different platform. So if we want to execute any class file, so JVM generate executable file according to its own platform. Because suppose we have Windows 64-bit. So I will install this JDK, download it, and after that we can install this JDK in our machine. So if we want to execute any class file, so JVM generate execute file according to Windows 64. Okay? Understood what I'm saying? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's
Okay.
okay.
Okay. And the second most important characteristics of Java is a security. So must we remember this? Java is a platform independent, but JVM is a platform dependent. It's also a very favorite question of your interviewer. Okay, second thing, security. Java provides high security compared to another language. So if you want to develop a very secure software like desktop application or web application, so we use Java or any companies prefer Java if we have need more security of your software. Okay, so we use suppose we want to develop a software for uh, bank. Yeah, we are near a need of more security. So we use, all companies use Java because Java provides us more secure. Okay, now, so what is the new in Java? So actually, suppose we want to develop a program. Suppose here you can see this. Suppose we want to develop a program in C language or C++. Okay, here we can create a program. This is the editor of C or C++. Here we can write the program of C or C++. Okay. After that, suppose after writing the program, we can execute this program. So click on run the program, and you can see this is a output of your program, and this is a DOS screen. Okay, DOS, disk operating system. This is a DOS screen, and this is the editor of C, C++. Okay, actually I want to say that C and C plus have editor. Okay, we can write the program here, but Java have uh, neither editor or nor input-output screen. Okay, so if we want to develop Java application, so we can use any editor because Java have not uh, editor and input-output screen. So we can use any editor, like we can write the program in Notepad, we can write the program in Node++, we can use bracket, we can use Eclipse, we can use NetBeans, we can use MyEclipse, IntelliJ, we can use any editor where we can write the program and only save the program with dot Java extension. So it is called editing phase. In editing phase, we can write the code of Java, and after that, we can save with .java extension. That is called editing phase. So we can write the program of Java anywhere on any editor. Only save that file with .java extension. Okay. After that, the second phase is a compilation. In compilation, it's generate a dot class file. Okay. After that, we are free. We can move with this class file on any platform, and we can execute this class file. No problem. So the next phase is class loading. What is the meaning of class loading? Actually, this is a class file. So far, if you want to execute this file, so first of all, we will load in the memory. So this class file will load in the memory. So that is called class loading. Okay. So in third phase, class file will load in the memory. That is called class loading. After that, and this class file has bytecodes. So here, the next phase, bytecode verification. For this purpose, Java provides as a mechanism to sandbox security. With the help of sandbox security, Java check your bytecode. Actually, this is a class file and it contains bytecodes. So after class loading, all bytes code load in the memory. So through the sandbox security, Java check that bytecodes it have any illegal content or not. If it have any illegal content, it terminate your JVM, terminate your program of execution of your program. It will terminate. Okay, but if it is error free, if it is a error free and any bug free and virus free, so in next phase, JVM will execute your Java program. So in next phase, execute your Java. Okay, so actually here before the execution, Java check your bytecode. It have any illegal content or not. If it have any illegal content, it will terminate your Java, your program, your execution of your program. Okay, and if it will free for any illegal content, then in next phase, your Java execute your program. So these are the 5 phases. So Java is a virus free and it's also provides different type of uh, concept to make it very secure language. Okay, so main cheez है, the second most important characteristics of your Java is security. Java provides us more security of your programming code because it check before the execution. It have a sandbox security. It check your bytecode through the sandbox security. It have any legal content or not. If it have any legal content, it will terminate your Java program and it will not execute. But if it will free of errors, it will free of any illegal content, then in next phase, it will execute your Java program. Okay, but Java have more characteristics like it is a architecture neutral, it is a robust language, it is a multi-threading. It is simple language. There are multiple characteristics. So we will learn one by one all characteristics and all properties of Java. Okay. So first of all, we are going to install Java in our machine. So suppose we want to use Java. So first of all, download JDK. This is open source. You can download JDK from the internet. So open your browser and type here JDK 8 and download. So you will get this link. Click on this link. It will show this page. And according to your platform, you can click on, suppose my platform is Windows 64, so I will click on this link. If your platform is Windows 86, so you can click on here. And others, if you have any other platform, so you can select this platform according to your platform. You can click on this JDK. Okay, so for Java, Oracle provides different JDK for different platform. Okay, so suppose my platform is Windows 64, so I will click on this link. Okay, then it will show this dialog box. Click on this checkbox, then this button will appear. Enable, please click on this button. It will show the next page, login page of Oracle. Okay, so here you can specify your username, password. If you are already a account in Oracle, so you can specify the username and password. But suppose you are a new user, so click on create account and register yourself in Oracle. Okay, after that you can use you can specify the username and password and click on sign in, then it will automatically download JDK from uh, internet in your machine. Okay, so after downloading, you will get a file. JDK. Here you will get a file like this. JDK. Okay. You click on this link, this file, and you can install JDK in your machine. Okay. After installation, you will get a folder in C drive. Open your C drive. Then you will get a folder named Java. Sorry, program files. Okay. So click on open your program files folder. You will get a Java folder. You can see this. This is a Java folder. Please open this folder. Then you will get here Java. JDK 1.8. Okay. So JDK, please open your JDK. You will get two folders. JDK 1.8 and JRE 1.8. Okay. Open your JDK 1.8. Okay. Then it will show these folder and files. Then open your bin folder. Open this bin folder. So then you will get the another file of your Java. Okay, here you will get a Java C file. Java C is a compiler of your Java. Okay, so now we are going to set the path of Java compiler. So this is a path of Java compiler. Okay, please select this and copy it. Okay, after that, click right mouse button on your this PC or my PC. Okay, click here and you will get a option property. Please click on properties option. After that, you will get a advanced system setting. Here you will get a option advanced system setting. Okay, you click on this link. Okay, then it will show this dialog box, and here you will get a button environment variable. Please click on environment variable. Okay, after that, here there is a new button. You click on this new button. Okay, then it will show another dialog box. Okay, here this is a variable name and value. So here specify a variable name path, and here value. So paste that path of your Java C. Okay, after that click on OK. But I have already set the path. You can see here is a path. I have already, my path is already set. So we have not need to click on OK. So I will click on cancel. Okay, so it's very simple. First of all, open your C drive. After that, open program file, then Java, then JDK 1.8 folder, then bin. Okay, here you will get Java C. This is a compiler of Java. Okay, after that, you can copy this. Okay, click the right mouse button on this PC. Click on properties. Then click on advanced system setting. Okay, after that, click on environment variable. Then click on new button. Type here path and paste the path of Java C and click on OK. But I have already, my path is already set. So I will click on cancel. Okay. Then click on OK. Then click on OK and close this window. Okay. If you want to check your path is set or not. So for this purpose, type here CMD. This is a command line. Okay. So here you can see command prompt. Okay. Please click on command prompt and type here Java C and press enter. If it will show this type of information, it means your set, your path is set. Okay, what is the meaning of this? What is the benefit of this? Okay, so actually, if you will set the path of your Java compiler, so you can write the program of your Java anywhere in your system, and you can execute your program anywhere in your system. Okay, if you will set the path of Java compiler in your system, there is a benefit of setting the path. We have not need to specify the path again. We can execute our Java program anywhere in our system. Okay. Now, suppose we want to uh, create a program in Java. So for security purpose, we use class. First of all, we will create a class. Okay. We can write the code, each and every code within this class. We cannot write any code outside of the class. Okay. In Java for security purpose. I think if you know C++, so we use main Java, main function outside of the class. But in Java, we write the main function also within the class. We cannot write any code outside of the class in Java. Okay, for security purpose. So must we declare here name? The name of class. So here we can declare the name of class. Because I think you know that if you want to identify anything, so we specify a name of that particular things. Same as we can create multiple class. So for identification, we declare a name of each class. So here, class is the class and the class name is demo. You can specify any name. Okay, but Java provides us some rules for identifiers. Okay, first, we can use A to Z letter, a small or capital. We can use anything. A to Z letter, 0 to 9 numbers, and underscore and dollar sign. Okay, suppose your name is Jitika, and next, Jitika. Hello, I'm
Yes,
audible.
sir. Yes.
Your full name is Jitika,
Ritika Kantare. K-A-N-T-H-A
K-A-N-T-H-A
T T as in A-R-I-A.
R-I-A,
Yes.
Cantaria. Okay, this is your name. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this is your identifier. We can identify you with Jessica
Mm-hmm.
Cantaria. Okay, so same
Yes.
as at the time of name specification uh, of a child. So we followed some rules. Here you can see this. We are using only alphabet. We are not using numbers. We are not using
Yes.
symbols. But in
Mm-hmm.
programming language, we can use, if you want to specify name of class, name of method, name of function, name of variable, name of constant, name of interface. So we will follow some rules. We can use A to Z letter, 0 to n numbers, underscore, and dollar sign. Only Java support dollar sign, but other languages does not support dollar sign. It uses only A to Z letter, 0 to 9 number, and underscore. But Java support. We can also use dollar sign in the name of any identifier, like class name, interface name, method name, or constant name, variable name. We can use dollar sign also. Okay, second
Mm-hmm.
thing. If our name contain multiple words, like here, Jitika, Santaria. So we, for separation, we use space. But in name of any identifier, we can't use space in any language, any computer language. We can't use space. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So at the
Mhm.
place of, suppose we want to write here roll number. So we have need a space. So at the place of space, we use underscore. Okay.
Okay.
So we can't use space in an identifier name. At the place of space, we use underscore. And we can also use dollar sign in identifier name in Java. Okay. Secondly, at the time of name specification, we can't consider about the number of characters. Here we are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 characters we are using in this name. But at the time of name specification, we can't consider about the number of character. Same as if you want to declare any name of identifier in Java, there is no limit. We can use any number of character in the name of class, in the name of method, in the name of variable, in the name of interface, in the name of constant. We can use any number of character, no restriction. But in C language, we can use only 31 character in an identifier name. But in Java, there is no limit. Okay, third rule. In name, we can use A to Z letter, 0 to 9 number, underscore, and dollar sign. But as a first character, we can't use number. Okay? As a first character, we can't use 0 to 9 number. Like suppose here, we can declare here as A1 is equal to 10, but we can't use 1A is equal to 10. We can't use this. We can't start any identifier name with digit. First character, we can use L to Z letter, underscore, or dollar sign. But we can't use 0 to 9 numbers. These rules are already exist in all computer language. It is not only for Java. It is also these are rules of C, C++, and other languages. Okay, we can't use first character as a digit. Okay, so in name, these are the rules must be followed at the time of declaration of any identifier. Okay, understood? Hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay. Next is convention. Java also provides us some conventions for identifiers. Suppose here, we want to declare a name of class. So according to Java, first character should be in capital. Like you can see this demo here.
Mm-hmm.
The first character should be capital. This is a convention. This is not a rule. It's depend on this is optional for you. You can use or not. It depends on you. But this is Java convention. The first character of each class should be in capital. Okay. If the class of the name of Java is a combination of multiple words like demo of Java program. The first letter of each word in capital. Like in your name, you can see this. Jessica, J is capital and K is capital. Okay, same as
Yes.
if in a class you are using there is a group of there is a combination of multiple words. So each word the first letter of each word should be in capital. But this is a convention. Okay.
Yes.
Third convention is that the name should be in if name of class should be noun, like account, like student, like employee, like college, like company. Means name should be noun, the class, name of the class. Okay, so these are the convention of a class name. So that is not mandatory. It is optional. If you are interested, you can use it. Otherwise, it is not mandatory. Okay. After declaration of class, we can specify here a name like public, static, void, main, string, args. Okay. Actually, I think you know that C language. So our program enterprise is a main function. So in C program, we use main function. Okay. In
Yes.
C++, we use void main or int main. Okay. But in Java,
Mhm.
we use public static void main. Okay. And main have a parameter that is a string array, string type array. Okay. So here public static void main and main have a single parameter that is a string type array. Okay, so public, what is public? Public, actually this is public is a access modifier, access modifier. But in C++, we called access specifier. Okay, but in Java, public called access modifier. And static is a non-access modifier. Okay, and void is a return type. Means main uh, will return nothing, and main is a main function entry gate of program, entry point of program.
So we
Okay.
are using two modifiers, like both like access and non-access
Yes,
here,
but in C++, it called
right?
access specifier, and static is a access modifier. But here we call it access modifier and non-access modifier. Okay, and string is a predefined class. Okay, and this is a array symbol. Args is a variable name. Okay, after that open brace, and we can write here each and every program within the main function. Okay, so for this, suppose we want to print anything on the console. So we use system dot out dot println. Hello, Java. Okay, so system is also a predefined class. Okay, out. Out is a reference variable of print stream class. Okay, and print ln. If you want to print any sentence, anything in next line, we use print ln, and this is a method or function of print stream class. Print stream class is also a predefined class, and we will learn in file input output topic. Okay, so here public is the access modifier, state is a non-access access modifier, void is a return type, main is the entry point of program. Here we can write the program of Java, and string is a predefined class. This is array symbol. Args is a variable name. System is a predefined class. Out is a reference variable of print stream class, and println is a function of print stream class. Okay, and it is used to print anything. I means message or value of any variable through the println. Okay, function. Okay, so I think these are the uh, different component of your Java program. And in further classes, we will learn public and other actually access. There are multiple access modifier like public, private, protected, default. Okay, these are the access modifier of Java. Other
Okay.
public, private, protected, and non-access modifier like abstract, final. These are also non-access modifiers. Return type, we can use any integer, float, double, string, we can use any. It's a many program and string. Okay, so we will learn all things one by one. Okay, any doubt, any
Okay.
queries?
No, sir, that is all good.
Okay, now I'm going to save this and I'm going to share this.
Okay.
Okay, you can check it. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can share with me. Okay. And for the next section, we will try to create the different program of Java.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Most welcome.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.